Yeah, I'll think about that one.
Water's a little choppy.
Yeah, the wind picking up a little bit.
Is this lake Kick the Goose?
Could have been going down the river and let the current take us.
Yeah, this ain't bad though.
Not bad.
I need to buy me a kayak.
You need to buy you a kayak. While you're at it, you need to buy some new friends.
I would probably almost use it nearly as much as you do, which is next to never, which is like every 3 years.
Every 3 years, I knock the dust off of them and get them out.
And your wife just goes along with it once every 2 years, but she really doesn't like it much.
That's why I need a motorcycle so I can ride it about 3 times a year.
Get a motorcycle. All the cool people have motorcycles. I have a motorcycle. In fact, I may be the coolest person you know with a motorcycle. But I'm not cool just because I have a motorcycle. Most people try to attain coolness because they've got a motorcycle. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
But you can't buy coolness. You either got it or you don't.
Well, you got something. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I got it in spades, man. I got it in spades.
Let's take that guy's boat out for a ride, man.
Yeah, let's just take the motor.
That's awful little motor for that big boat. Of course, you're not allowed more than 30, 35 horse. What's that say that is? 9.9? That's all you really need, though.
You're just moving from one place to the next. You ain't really. He's got a sailboat in the kayak. Look at it.
He does have a little 10-footer.
Catamaran there.
Getting off close, man. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we're gonna have fun getting up that hill. That's a pretty steep hill we put in at. You sure this is it? I think it might be the next one. Yeah, that's the next one. That ain't it, is it? Nah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see the bridge now. What's that going up there, a duck? Yeah, there's a duck right there going up the rocks.
Yeah, looks like a duck, all right.
There was a duck.
You sure know your animal.
Right there it is. You didn't even see him. There he goes, flying away.
Yeah, it's a duck, all right.
Look like Daffy Duck. There's a duck. It looks like a duck, quacks like a duck. It's a duck.
It didn't quack or look like a duck. Them ducks right there, them are ducks.
Right there's some more ducks.
Oh, them actually are.
Doing what ducks do.
You don't know you're outdoorsman like you claim to be. You know what
I know my stuff.
that was probably a blue hazel.
And we got to get up that tall bank.
Yeah, well, that ain't much of a problem, really.
You can't even get out of the boat. What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of the boat without messing with shoes. You see my shoes, right?
Yeah, I'm going to film you falling in the water.
Well, you're going to be disappointed because I'm not falling in the water. See, look at that.
Alright, get the oar before it falls out.
No, I'm not concerned about that oar. I'm breaking the things all the time.
Alright, one adventure comes to an end.